So I put transmission fluid in the engine to get rid of the lifter tick, and then actually did clean it out. So right before I did the oil change, I drained the oil. I kept the old filter on because I didn't want to waste a new filter. And then I put 6 quarts of transmission fluid in it, let it sit and run for an hour, and then drained out the transmission fluid. And it's been good since, because every morning it's been like 30 degrees. I started up and no tick. Because that was so annoying. The lifter was ticking so bad. But again, I knew it was bad. The previous owner, the valve seals were blown out. And instead of doing oil changes, because it was burning so much oil because the valve seals were gone, they were just putting oil in it. I'm like, that's great. That's a smart idea. Just don't fix the actual problem. Just, do that one. Good job. So, but yes, transmission fluid will fix your lifter tick.